So we are going to make the follower guide using this model that I was given today. And yeah, let's just start it. So let's focus on this part right here. So this is showing me that the diameter of this circle is 0.5 and that the diameter of the circle at the end is 0.75 and that the height right here is 1. And you might be wondering, why is that relevant? Well, it'll help me out in a second. So let's just do that. So, even though I said it, I totally forgot what it was. So 0.75 and 0.5. Great. So I'm going to click create sketch, and then I'm going to click planar face. And then I'm going to click center diameter circle, and the larger one was 0.75 inches. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to click finish sketch. And for this, I'm actually going to use a lofting feature because it's going to be the easiest thing to do or use it as. So now I'm going to go back and realize that the next circle is 0.5, but there's also a 1 inch increase. So I'm going to do that. Next, I'm going to click construct. I'm going to click offset plane. I'm going to click this and I'm going to type in 1 inch. Brilliant. So now I'm going to right click this. I'm going to click create sketch. And then I'm going to do this, or click on the center of the origin, press 0.5, press enter. There I go. And I'm almost done, but I'm not quite done yet. So now this is where I click create, and this is where I find loft. And I click this, I press OK. I'm going to go back to my checked model thing, and I see that so far it looks so good, but I want to add this part before I add anything else. So you might be wondering, how are you going to do that? Well, there's a couple of ways I can do that. So I'm going to go back to Fusion, and I'm actually going to go to bottom here. I'm going to right click on this, click create sketch. I'm going to click the origin, and I'm going to press 0.5, press enter, but I'm not done yet. I'm going to click finish sketch, and then I'm going to go to this, and I see that it's 3/16 of an inch, and you might be wondering, what's 3/16 of an inch? Is that even a decimal? It is a decimal, but you can actually type in fractions in Fusion. So I'm going to click extrude, and I'm going to literally put 3/16, and it does it for me. And then I have this. Let's look at this. Let's zoom out a little bit. And it looks so far so good. Let's double check. Great. The only thing that we're missing is this square, and we can put that on the top. So let's go back to Fusion. Let's click on the top. And then I want to go back to the center just because I like that. And then I'm going to right click create sketch. And I'm going to click rectangle. I'm going to click center rectangle. And then I know this is a square. I totally forgot the measurement though. It says 0.28. So then I'm going to go to this, press 0.28, tap, press 0.28. And there I go. I press enter. I click finish sketch, and we're almost done. All we have to do is click extrude. And then I'm going to click through here. It does it for me. I press enter, and there I go. And that is how you make a follower guide in Fusion.